In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a chart as an image in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself admiring a beautifully crafted chart in your spreadsheet and thinking, I could really use this as an image for my presentation or report, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you can save that chart with ease. First, let's open your Google Sheet document. Launch Google Sheets in your web browser and navigate to the spreadsheet that contains the chart you'd like to save. If you haven't yet created a chart, it's never too late to explore and visualize your data using the chart feature in Google Sheets. Once you're ready, find your chart right in your spreadsheet. Now, hover over the chart you want to save. With a simple click, select the chart. By doing this, you'll activate a border around your chart, making it stand out and letting you know it's ready for the next action. You're one step closer to downloading it as an image. Next, you'll notice some options appearing around the chart. Look for the 3 vertical dots, or otherwise known as the More Options button. Click on these dots. It's often found in the top right corner of the chart. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu that contains several options for you to explore. In this menu, you need to find and click on Download. This is the key step where we tell Google Sheets that we want to save our chart externally. Selecting this option will prepare the chart for download. Once you click Download, you'll need to specify the format in which you want the image saved. For this tutorial, let's go with the PNG format. So, find where it says PNG image, .png in the list and select it. PNG is a popular image format that preserves the quality of your chart without taking up too much space, making it perfect for sharing online or adding to documentation. After clicking the PNG option, your chart will download automatically. Depending on your web browser settings, the download might be instantly visible at the bottom of the window, or you might need to check your designated download folder on your computer to locate the file. Finally, to view your freshly downloaded image, navigate to your local drive or downloads folder. There you should find your chart waiting as a neat PNG file. Double-click it to open and admire your work. And that's it. You've successfully turned your Google Sheets chart into an image. This simple process ensures you can easily integrate your data visualizations into any platform that supports images, whether it's a PowerPoint presentation, a social media post, or an email to your team. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.